Alright, good morning everybody. It is Thursday. Haven't been able to do this live like this for a while, but I'll be able to do this today, tomorrow, and Monday. But right now, the overnight low is the low of day, and the overnight high is also the high of day. Have a The market slightly sold off yesterday, but really things are back on track for an uptrend. All right, let's just wait and see what we got here. This is the second entry long right here in such a strong uptrend, but what I don't like about this is it closed below the EMA. I got burned so many times on this thing, so I'm not gonna try to attempt to go for this. And if I do go, I don't have enough tick to get out, so let's just wait for better ones. Yeah, it went right through it, and then, well, came back with next to a doji, form it upper bottom right here, but it becomes congested after that. It's okay. We missed that one, but we're not going to catch everything. We just want to catch one that really works. I think this is forming nicely here, where we basically get into a smaller and smaller range in this area here, and then you can see that it's starting selling off. So we form a new bottom, right? Recheck at EMA, form a new legs. Here's your first entry, and you can see that it's rejecting EMA again here. So I think we have an opportunity to get in right now once this candle. Uh, what is this?
Order submitted.
Okay, so um, oh, I don't even have my strategy set up on this machine. Let's get that in
Order
real quick.
canceled.
Custom one. So 8, 8, and 4. I don't even have my counter in here yet. What's going on? Let's take a look. Okay, so I don't have the code that I normally use for my counter. I'll add that later, but it's right there. So it looked like it didn't form. It did continue its uptrend. So let's watch out for it. Uh, while we do that, let's save this. That's just one. So what I did here is basically this is our ATM, right? Automated trading. Um, one tick, 8 stop loss by default, and then 4 for that. Okay, so I'm back. Have to step away for like an hour. Looks like not much happening. Where were we? We were. I don't even know where we left off. Somewhere. Oh, we left off right here and then punch down, recheck, came down, came up. But looks like something might be forming here for us. Let's take a look at this. Okay, we needed to tick up to form that second entry, and then we can take it on the way down. This is technically a second entry long signal right here. First entry, and then second entry is coming up, but we got really big bearish bar coming, so let's see. So it looks like there's really strong support at support of yesterday. So we can see today's range is basically right there. Let's see let's see what this channel does for us. Go to the biggest swing. I might consider going back up if things set up correctly here. So that looked like a good channel, but that's the first time I test that. Yeah, I almost wish this thing takes over just once, right? So that we have that second entry to go for. And I did see some video on YouTube where they said, hey, you know what, this green bar is a pullback and you can use that, but right now let's not get there. Here's a bullish signal for that second entry, but man, I do not want to take it right now. Yeah, I am not going for it. We're in a downtrend and we're going right against the EMA. Yeah, not too happy with that. And the risk is just huge. I could be wrong. It's a clear two leg. That's the thing. Just no setup. Looks really nice, but no setup. We wouldn't got fill right now if we do it. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our stop loss would officially be right here or even down here. We're looking at like about $250 risk, so let's not do it. Again, if this takes over, we would have a signal to go short, but it never did. And now we have to start a count over. All right, we got up triple bottom at open up day. Can be a nice second entry here as well. Let's see. It's congestion, but I like these triple bottom here. We'll see if it give us a signal. Because when things can push one way, it will go the other way.
Order submitted.
Right, I wish I have my risk amount here so I can see it, but yeah, that's not too bullish of signal for me. I'm gonna stay out.
Order
I
canceled.
wish it close up here. Is this 75th? I am writing a piece of script to tell me whether or not the bar closed at the 7 percentile or higher. Because right now this looks like it, but I don't really know. But yeah, not good signal. Okay, but now I will go for the trap. So we have a second entry right here. Up against the EMA, we got a triple bottom. Gonna put a sell stop right here
Order submitted.
in case it doesn't make it to the top and it start pushing back new low. It's matching that right now. Okay, so looks like we will not get a trap going.
Order canceled.
Again, this is, some of you might consider this a bullish bar. We do have a triple bottom, nice second entry, right? Got a scalp right there. Nice second entry right here. But, it stops right there, not too bullish a bar. We're going up against the EMA. I just didn't feel good about it.
stop filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
And I'm on mute. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know if you guys heard me in the last 5 minutes, but anyway, I couldn't talk about this particular one because I was on the phone. Uh, so steep downtrend. Okay, too big bar, but you can see that strong bullish bar from the bottom. This is a real strong support right here. I almost tempted to take this one, but it's not bullish enough for me. By the time this bar comes, right, too close to EMA, but it turns out we have enough steam and then quickly recheck at that channel and just continue to go down. And then bullish bar, gap up, continue to go, okay? So we can see strong momentum going right here. Tick down and then came back right back up, even though I mean you can't really call this a doji. I view that as really bullish. Um so Somehow when I took it, I thought it was a trap to the downside. I thought this was a second entry short. My entry should have been right there, to be honest. But I put it above this one here, in case somebody wanna take that short. Should have been right here because of that bullish bar. Okay, we would have been a lot better off. But right here, as soon as we go up, it takes continue to go up and then came back down. But that's that. Happens again right here, right? Come down to bullish bar, and then suddenly it ticks down. Okay, and then I was thinking of placing it up there, but by then I think I already put this channel in, and this is already there. It's against the channel, so I decided not to do it. But as soon as it got over here, right, we would have been filled right here, just went up like really strong to the upside. Okay, but right now that's the third trade for the day. And then on the phone with I was also on the phone with Ninja Trader because they show that I took 5 trades, but I only took 3, and the order desk said that I only took 3, so I have to talk to the platform support guy, and the only way to get them is by emailing them. So I shoot out some email with some screenshots, but you know, I have a feeling we might be in the green a little bit because that's a lot of commission for just 3 trades. So, um, but we do have one more, and it's just like a strong uptrend at this point. So we got one, two. There's a trap going up, but let's see. We still have a good hour left, so let's see. Let's be patient and see if we can land one. All right. So we got back to the open up day. That's a pretty bearish bar. However, we did a few fakes here and such a strong uptrend, I was hesitant to pull the trigger on that. What's the risk there? The risk is $125. $125 risk. So we'll see. I mean, this looks like we're gonna go. I wonder what that is. Is that open a week? Don't know. Don't know what that is. But as of right now, let's see what kind of. Yeah, so it looks like it's gonna try to get back to the high of day. Okay, so we have about 15 minutes left here before the market closes. Um, Future will continue, but I just don't like the volume and things like that, right? So we do have a two. First entry is sort of right there, kind of choppy right here. Um, Man, that trend line is just not. This thing here is just not working right now, so we got to bring it up here. But you can see it got tested right there, started right there. I would say this is a pretty good channel. So right now, I think the market wants to go higher based on the price movement, right? It made new lows, came back up, and then did all that right there. So right now, I'm going to respect the uptrend, and if it closes above the EMA, I will take it.
Order submitted.
So it went up here. Here's the, not the high of day, but high of day is somewhere all the way up there. Oops. Oh. This risk is becoming bigger and bigger, but I will not go. If it passes this line right here, I will not go because there you go. Okay, so it is a big risk. So we got 1, 2, 3. It's a $200 risk on this trade, right? But again, it came back up to this area right here, very bullish bar. I think that's 75% of the body. Is it? 1, 2. I think so.
Order filled.
Okay. Drag it down here. And we just want to make sure. The reason I said I won't take it right here is because I need it to get the scalp.
Target filled.
All right. Great day to end the day. So, I really don't know what to make of this here. 62. I don't know, but I would say, so they got, I will subtract the commission out and figure out what we did. It's not like it matters, right? Tomorrow we're going to see the total in our account, whatever it is. But just recap here. As you can see, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm a lot more reserved now. At the beginning of this journey, when I start doing that, right, doing the real money trading, it just trades after trades after trades. But right now, it's a lot less, right, which is a good thing. But here it is. So this one, we took it right here for the swing, but again, we put it right there, right, barely enough to the EMA, steep downtrend, also a gap right there. So I think that is one of those things where we can say, you know what, the trend is too strong towards that direction right now. Um, Took this one, again, closed below the EMA. Didn't like how bearish that bar was. And then take this trap, right? It worked. Might not be the best trade. I think some of you will say that. Uh, I honestly thought that it was a second entry short that failed right here, but I don't know why I thought that, but it worked. And I just circled this is the exact same thing. Oh, this thing is still lingering here. Okay, but overall not bad, right? We're trying to stay green. Got to be real as conservative as we can to get back to our journey here. This will set us back. I'm thinking we won't actually be back to where we were until probably mid-March. But again, I am, oh, there you go. It went all the way up. Make new high. Okay. All right. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And again, thanks for watching. And you like it, share and subscribe. See ya.